For today's video, I will show you how to cook chicken adobo with egg. Ingredients: chicken meat, garlic, pepper, soy sauce, vinegar, laurel leaves, brown sugar, glass of water, and eggs. Just mix all together the chicken, soy sauce, vinegar, brown sugar, pepper, and garlic. If I were you, put lots of garlic. Mix it well. Time to cook. Wait until it boils and pour a glass of water 2 times and add the laurel leaves and the onions and wait for a while. Option: you can add some potatoes, carrots, pineapple, and chili. It's up to you. For the eggs, just boil it and add to the finished product. And we're done. Happy eating!